Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Prolon 5-day fasting kit. I do see that they sent me a little card about these new protein shakes that they have, which I will try after my fast. For now, those are going in a drawer. They did give me this beautiful water bottle, which I will use for the electrolyte supplement with my water and tea. And let's get into it. All right, so you can see they have the checklist. What you eat every day is here, and all my food for each day is in each box. So today is day number 1, and it says on this little card that I'm going to be having an L-bar for breakfast, herbal tea, and 2 algal oil packets. So that's what should be in here. Day 1. So since I am traveling today, I'm not really gonna take this out of the box. I'm gonna take my whole box with me. But you can see that here is the L-bar for breakfast. And the herbal tea is in here. I think I'm gonna do lemon peppermint and the 2 algal oil packets. I can tell there's 1 in here, so I'm gonna need both of these. And that is the breakfast. So you sip water in between, and then it looks like for lunch, I get carrot ginger soup, which I'm gonna take with the travel mug. And all you have to do is add some boiling water, stir it around, let it sit for a few minutes. 2 NR2, which are vegetable capsules, supplements. Crackers, which are these, and these are, I've had these before. These are like chickpea and kale mixed with seeds and quinoa. And then a snack pack of olives and more tea. That's the lunch. And then for dinner, I get to have, oh, there's a snack. So it's more herbal tea and a nut bar. So that's kind of nice. I will need an afternoon snack today because I will be working off-site and not near food. And then for dinner, it looks like I'm gonna have this red pepper and onion soup. And then there's a dessert. There's this little Choco Crisp bar, which I've had before, which is really delicious. And it's got like real dark chocolate, quinoa, honey, probably dates, things like that. All the ingredients for every Prolon thing is listed on the wrapper. Everything's pure. The soups do have yeast extract, but they don't have any other junk in them. Okay, so that's it for day 1. I'm gonna put everything back in my little box and be on my way because I have an appointment to be at shortly. Thanks, everybody. Turn in tomorrow for day 2. Thanks.